left, cha-la-la. Okay, so you can swing your arms or you can go cha-cha-cha-la-cha. Okay, oh, sorry. Instead, we just go swing, swing. Then you go drop, drop. Okay, yes, you go 5, 6. Start with your left. Swing, swing, and cha-cha. Now we go cha-cha. Okay, then you go clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, good. One more. So again, let's take it from here. Left, cross over right. 6, 7, go. Cross, cross, back, back. And a roll, roll. And a tap, tap. And a hips, hips. And a clap, clap, clap. Okay, one more time. We go. Try it faster from cross. Left, cross for your right. 6, 7, go. Tap, 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 tap. And a roll. And a tap. And a pop, pop, tap, tap, tap. Okay, one more time. We go. Cross. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right, going to the back. And a left. And a tap. And a pop, pop. And tap, tap, tap. One more time. We go. Let's connect this from the top. We go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, bam, ball, change. Woo. Drop right, cross, back, back, back. Roll, roll, and tap, tap, and tap, tap. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. 5, 6, 7, go. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. One more time. We go from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 3, 4, ha, ha, ball change, and woo. Drop right, left, right, going to the back, and roll, roll, and tap, tap, and back, back, and chop, chop, chop. Now from here, you just go, woo. Alright, then you go, and, chop, so from here, boom. You go, turn, ha. And you go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So again, slowly, from hip release, we go hip release. You just need to cross, cross. Then, you're going to lift your left while facing up. While you're on your way to facing to your left. Boom. Again. So we have cross. Now turning to your left, you go lift your left foot, boom. Then you go switch, right, left, towards the center. Okay? This part, we're on the left side, tap, tap, tap. So we go hip, then you go cross, kick, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Ready? We go, take it from top. Ready, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and leap, 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 ball change, and step, and drop right, cross, left, going back, and left, left, and tap, tap, and hips, hips, clap, 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 boom, and cross, kick, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bouncy lang, bouncy lang. Chip, chop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Super loose lang sila. No concrete hand placement. Okay? So wala talaga siyang hand placement most of the time. Okay? Ready? We go from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, drop, ball change, and shoo! Ha, 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 ha. Cross, back, back, and roll, and tap, and hips, hips, and clap, 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 hip. And cross, kick, 1, 2, 3. Alright. You sing? You sing again? Okay. Slow or tempo? Slow? Okay.